If your Monday.com dashboard is not loading, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that can help get everything working again. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and you can follow along even if you're not very technical. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, try refreshing the page. Sometimes the dashboard just fails to load because of a temporary glitch, and a simple refresh is all it takes to bring it back. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run the test and make sure your connection is stable. A slow or unstable internet connection can cause Monday.com dashboards to load partially, freeze, or show errors. If your internet looks fine, move on to clearing your browser cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for loading issues. On most browsers, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. That opens the Clear Browsing Data window. From there, select Cache and Cookies, then click Clear. Once that's done, restart your browser and go back to Monday.com to see if the dashboard loads properly. If the problem is still there, the next step is to disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with Monday.com and stop the dashboard from loading correctly. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and temporarily turn off anything that could be blocking scripts or page elements. After disabling them, refresh Monday.com again and check the dashboard. If none of those fixes solve it, the final thing to check is your dashboard access inside Monday.com itself. Go to Monday.com, open the dashboard, and make sure you actually have the right permissions. Sometimes the dashboard won't load because the linked boards are restricted, missing access, or not shared with your account properly. Confirm that the boards connected to the dashboard are accessible and that your user role has permission to view them. If you're missing access, you may need to ask the workspace owner or admin to update your permissions. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the issue, whether it's a browser problem, a cache issue, a connection issue, or a permissions problem. So to recap, refresh the page, test your internet speed, clear your cache and cookies, disable extensions, and then check your dashboard permissions. Those are the fastest ways to fix a Monday.com dashboard that is not loading. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Monday.com error.